friends, welcome to my everyday cooking in Bhavana's kitchen. Today I'm going to share my everyday sabji, and normally Turiya Chori is very popular where I grew up. Since I do not have chori today, I'm going to prepare Turiya Valnu Shak, and almost the same way, but I'm going to add a few more ingredients and make it a little more like, spicy and flavorful basically. So let's get started. My garden has been blooming crazily with Turiya, also known as ridge gourd or Chinese okra or something like that. But this is how it looks like, and I love to add this vegetable in many of my recipes, including khichdi, like masala khichdi. I can prepare all the sabjis with the dal. Ridge gourd or Turiya goes really well with any kind of dal like chana dal, tur dal, moong dal. I particularly love with masoor, and so I prepare like a masoor Turiya shak as well. So there are several ways to use this vegetable in the soup even. Plant, harvest and cook. I am going to pick up some Turiya, we call in India, known as ridge gourd in English. Very nutritious and very yummy. They are actually pretty easy to grow compared to other vegetables, require very less care. This will be ready soon. There, right here. That needs to be done. There is one over here. Ridge gourd is one of the very low calorie vegetables, carrying just 20 calories per 100 gram. It is extremely rich in dietary fiber and enriched with all the vital elements that includes vitamin C, zinc, iron, riboflavin, magnesium, thiamine, and traces of other minerals. It is low in saturated fat, cholesterol, and calories that aids in weight loss. To prepare Turiya, I prefer to use a peeler to peel the ridge gourd. You can scrape with a knife too, but the peeler is much easier. You want all the rough ridges or lines to be peeled completely, then cut into half lengthwise and chop it into small pieces to add into the curry. And be sure to wash everything really well before using. I love to stock all kinds of frozen vegetables to prepare quick sabjis, and they work really well for me. These are some of the vegetables that require good amount of work to prepare them, so most of the time I use frozen varieties of vegetables. And today I'm using Surti Papri Lilwa from frozen, bought from Indian grocery, and this is how they look like, and I do not defrost them. I just wash and use them in recipes. Heat up the pressure cooker pot on a medium to high heat. Take about 2 tablespoons of peanut oil or your choice of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, right? And let them crack. Carom seeds, ajwain. Pinch of asafoetida, hing if available. Here I have the curry leaves. And keep the lid handy. Reduce the temperature on a low to medium now. Add turmeric powder, haldi. And ready to add Turiya, turai also known as. Garlic and green chili paste. Fine coconut. Hara lasan, garlic and spring onion, ground mungfali, peanuts, sesame seeds, still, salt as per your taste, hara dhania. I'm going to remove the stem of curry leaves. I simply love the color. Here I have cashew raisin, optional. And here I have Lilwa papri, and I'm using frozen. If you have fresh, that's great. If not, frozen works just fine for this recipe. From the spice box, dhania jeera powder, ground coriander cumin. Now I'm not going to add any water, but if desired, sprinkle little bit of water. Since turiya releases lot of water, I am not going to add any additional water. Close pressure cooker, lock, put the whistle on. When done, release the pressure manually to keep the green color of the sabjis and open the cooker immediately. So as you can see, nice green color. Add just a little bit of sugar to balance all the flavors. And as you can see, I did not add any water. Still lots of water in there, as turiya releases a lot of water. And our sabji is ready to serve. So this is another variation of turiya chauri shak. Instead of chauri, just add whatever you have available. Tuvar lilwa, wal lilwa. And look at this clean, yummy looking shak. And now garnish with coriander leaves, hara dhania, and ready to serve. Shak with complete Gujarati thali meal, including roti, rice, so basically chawal roti. Garnish with more dhania on top, and shak is ready to serve. And today I have prepared this sabji to go with complete Gujarati thali, but I still have to cook rice, but I have roti already ready, and rice is almost about to get done as well, and with curry. It's one of my favorite, fresh garma garam roti and turiya walnu shak. I totally love all kinds of fresh vegetable sabjis, and I cook almost every day. You should try this combination. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen apps totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.